Hello everyone, my name is Marie-Josee. I work at SecurPlus. I am here today to introduce you how to change the time and date on a DSC panel. Most of the time, especially nowadays with the power outages we have a lot of issues with the time and date going wrong and the trouble light lights up on the system. So today we're here to introduce you to that step. Here you can see the perfect example of a trouble with a time and date problem. As you see, you have some lines here, there's no information. This is one of the reasons why you have the trouble light on. Your time and date is wrong. We open the keypad. You need to make sure you have the master code to be able to change the time and date. The steps are as follows. *6, master code, which is always 4 digits. You will hear it clicking. That means it's the correct code. You press 1. We enter the time, which is in 24 hours. Let's say right now it's 10 o'clock. And the date, it's always the month, 2 digits, the date, 2 digits, and the year, 2 digits. You hear it confirming me that everything's fine. I can press the pound key to get out. My trouble is gone. You should see the time light up in a few seconds. There you go. So everything's back to normal. I hope today this little video helped you to be able to solve your problems concerning date and time. If any other questions, please always remember you can visit our website, SecurPlus.com, and you also have all the information concerning our products, access systems, camera systems, water damage, any kind of security systems. We take care of everything. So please visit us. Have a good day. Thank you.